Good morning, guys. This is not what I needed. I was hurrying down to the train station to catch a train to go to Jutland to get a backpack for Mike. Now I'm getting some error code. The bike won't go. I made it just in time. I just ran over here after parking the bike. Oh, let's go. Let's fucking go. Yep. I just have to travel for an hour by train to make it to the guy who's selling the backpack secondhand. It's alright, man. An hour train ride for me is nothing. I used to ride these all day, every day. And I used to live out in the middle of nowhere. I'll show you guys one day. Soon, actually. I think within the next few weeks you're gonna see where I grew up, basically. Check it out, guys. I got the backpack for Mike. This is an expensive one. It's like 1800 krona. I got it for 600 used. It's an 80 liter. I'm guessing he needs the extra space. And like the straps and shit, like the shoulder straps, they're a lot nicer than mine. He's gonna enjoy this. I might need a backpack upgrade soon, man. No, because I'm gonna have to carry all the electric. Oh my god, my eye is so bad. Ugh, just another 2 days and I can go to the eye doctor. But yeah, with the electrical system, I'm gonna need to be able to carry some more stuff comfortably. And I'm thinking something like this, maybe even a bit better, might be pretty good for me. I need to find a place to withdraw some cash because I paid 100 out of my money for this backpack, and it has to go from Kiki's money, otherwise they're just gonna spend it. I'm gonna save this money that I made cleaning up Kiki's dad's place. I'm gonna save it towards an electric unicycle. I'm in Middelfart, about to withdraw some cash. Let's do it. Alright, bag is paid for and in hand. Money is withdrawn. I'm just going to the grocery store now, the supermarket, to get something to drink, something to eat. I think I deserve that now, having traversed half the country. I'm listening to music right now, city pop. It's really taken a hold of me this summer. Here we go. Or are the cookies I want with the Smarties inside? Ah, damn. Oh, there we go. Smartie cookie. Thing. Ooh, they got Kakio. It's twice as expensive though. Fuck it, let's get some Kakio. Got the Kakio, cookies. I just gotta hurry back to the train station to catch the train back so I don't have to wait for another hour. But I have a feeling I'm gonna make it. Always do these days. Second fine today. Another train ride, another fine, right? Check it out, my bicycle's still here. Oh yeah, and also Mike traded the old battery we have to this. It's the 500 instead of the 400, so 20% more or 25% more capacity. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. He traded it for the old battery and some other thing he had. Not gonna get into it, but I'm pretty happy. You know, it's a substantial upgrade. It allows me to go like 50, 60 kilometers going turbo mode, which is insane, you know? Probably even a bit more. But yeah, I'm going back now in a hurry. I thought about smoking a cigarette, but honestly, I just want to get back. I need to use the bathroom. I'm going home with a backpack now. Honestly, I'm thinking about asking Mike if he wants to trade with my old backpack. I know it's 10 liters smaller, but I think this one would help me out with carrying the heavy electronic components that I'm gonna have to carry. Let's see what happens. Maybe it's not that big a deal. It doesn't have quite as good of a strap system for the back as well, so maybe I just keep my old one. I'm listening to some old Danish rap from my childhood, True LS and RGE, while out here in the Western Zealand. This is the kind of landscape that I used to live in and around when I was listening to this stuff growing up. It's nice out here. It's not too hot either. I love the hilly environment, all the fields. It's amazing and beautiful. Look at this. Jason's in the backpack. We're playing around. Oh, you can't see him. He's all the way down there.
Bare,
Ja.
prøv at knække den ned.
Ja, den er så stor.
Hold da. Men far. Jason, er du dernede? Jason? Er du nede i tasken?
Ejtgal.
Se
Han
en
sidder bare
gang.
nede inde.
Hvad fanden svar?
Ja, vi lukker dig derud. Joho. Joho.
Du kan ikke bo inde i tasken. Du kan ikke blive boende inde i tasken, vel, Marker? Så? We're just sitting here watching this in the background, and we got some chocolate milk, eating some cookies, and I was just like reminded that, you know, what I've been growing up doing with mixing the chocolate milk 50-50 with milk to save money, that made sense when I grew up, but it doesn't anymore. The chocolate milk is 9 krona right now for sale, and the milk is twice that. It's like 16 or 18 or something like that. So it's actually more expensive to dilute the chocolate milk with milk, but that's what I grew up on, so that's what I do now. I used to do it to save money, you know? Now I just do it for the taste. Jason fell asleep. So now I'm just sitting here watching some Totally Spice. It's nostalgic, reminds me of my little sister.